Today we're going to find out whether a 10-gallon grow bag or a 15-gallon grow bag, which one will produce the best potato harvest. These were both planted at the same time with the same variety of potato. They are Red Chieftain potatoes. I used the same fertilizer, set them in the same area, and I also fertilized them the same. So today we're going to see how many potatoes each bag produces and weigh them and just compare them together. So stay with me and we'll find out. 10-gallon Red Chieftain potatoes, 15-gallon bag of Red Chieftain potatoes. Now the purpose of this experiment isn't to find out what is the best bag to grow potatoes in. Some people can't hardly handle a 15-gallon. Some people grow in 20 and 25 and 30-gallon bags where they don't have to move them and they can just dig them out. So that's not the purpose. We're actually going to take each bag, the 10-gallon and the 15-gallon, and compare them as to how many potatoes they produce, the total weight in pounds per each bag, the largest potato in each bag, the largest potato, the one that weighs the most, how many small potatoes each bag produces, and the pounds per gallon. That will really help us out knowing, you may grow a lot more potatoes in a 15-gallon bag, maybe not. Maybe you get close in a 10-gallon bag. So we're going to find out together. Well, actually, I started by pulling the vines out of the 10-gallon grow bag, but I forgot to turn the camera on. One potato popped up. These are Red Chieftain potato. They're red skinned with a really nice white flesh, and these have died back pretty much. So if you wanted to let them die back more, you probably could make it easier to keep them in storage. But we're going to go ahead and get right on with this and dump these right here in the, just going to dump them right in, and then we'll sift through them and see what we find. I've had really good luck growing these in the past. So some fairly nice sized potatoes here. Nothing super huge, but just really good baking size. I'd say so far that might be the biggest one. A lot of potatoes here for one 10-gallon grow bag. A lot. Or these are what I would call small ones. There's a rotten one. Another small one. Another small one. Another small one. That's about all I find for now. Let's go ahead and get these weighed and measured, and then we'll go with the 15-gallon bag. I'm counting a total of 21 potatoes. We'll get these all in the basket, and then we'll take them over and we'll weigh them. And then I'll put this one on top because this is the biggest one. Let's go ahead and set the basket on there and see how much we have. Right around 5.5 pounds altogether. So let me take this biggest potato off of there and just give it away on this scale. The biggest potato weighs about 9 ounces. Let's go ahead and just measure this biggest one. I'm getting about 3.5 inches in length. This is what I have so far from the 10-gallon grow bag. 21 potatoes, 5.5 pounds total weight. Give or take, I had to let the dirt on the potatoes. Largest potato size was 3.5 inches. 9 ounces for the largest potato. How many small potatoes? About 8. And that was 0.55 pounds per gallon. On to the 15-gallon. Now for the big reveal. We're going to do the 15-gallon grow bag. It's very hot and humid out here, and I've been working up quite a sweat. Let's go ahead and pull out these vines. They're a little tough. Well, I see a bunch of little ones on there. Like I said, these are somewhat died back, but it's time for me to get these harvested so I can plant some other things. This one is a lot heavier. I'm going to take a couple of these off here and lay them to the side so I don't have to re-pick through them. These are what came up to the top surface. And then I'm going to go ahead and dump this. Now we'll go ahead and see what we can find in here. Try and keep them over here where you can see them. It's going to be a little more dirt to sift through here. There's a bigger one. I do notice one thing already. I think I'm getting a good many more small ones, but we love small red potatoes. There's a guy that's a little bit deformed. Another bigger one. Another bigger one. Smaller one. I'm going to have to shovel this dirt out of here to make sure I got them all. Being a bigger bag, it's harder to sift through the dirt. Okay, I'll shovel this out and make sure I don't have any extras. Well, I got a total of 21 small potatoes and a total of 44 potatoes altogether. I'll just go ahead and put these in the basket so we can go and weigh them. Let me go ahead and get a total weight here. Looks like right about 8 pounds, maybe a hair over, but we'll call it 8 pounds. I'm going to say this is the largest one, and I'm measuring about almost 4.5 inches. Let's just see how many ounces this one weighs. That's about a 10 ounce. I'll weigh a couple of these other ones just to be sure. Yeah, they're a little smaller. Yep, they're running about 8 ounces. So, 10 ounces for the biggest one. Well, it looks like the results are in. If you like this harvest and this comparison, you may want to like and subscribe my channel. And let a comment if you've ever grown potatoes in grow bags and or containers, and what types of harvest you get per gallon. I'll show you this here close up, and we'll see if we can pick a clear winner. I'm not sure we can. Let's go ahead and look at the results close up. Well, as we look at them side by side, you can see we got more potatoes with the 15-gallon bag. Got 8 pounds versus 5.5 pounds. A one larger potato, a couple probably larger than the 10-gallon grow bag. The largest one in the 15-gallon was 10 ounces. There was a lot more small potatoes in the 15-gallon bag. Now the big number that I would say was 0.55 pounds per gallon in a 10-gallon bag, 0.533 pounds per gallon in the 15-gallon bag. So a little bit of better yield per gallon in the 10-gallon grow bag. Well, I'm not sure I can pick a clear winner. I guess if you were looking at yield per gallon, the 10-gallon is easier to handle, produce really nice potatoes. In my mind, I don't have a clear winner. You be the judge. Which one do you think was definitely more worthwhile? And like I say, raising our own food, these things are so good eating. You can't only imagine. Just 2 bags of potatoes, I yielded 13.5 pounds of potatoes. Probably from just a couple seed potatoes that cost maybe 50, 75 cents. It's fun to do. It's very rewarding to harvest. So stay tuned for more harvests like this coming in the very near future. I still have 2 bags of red ones of each yet, and I have Kennebec, the same type comparison to make out of 2 sets of bags. I have red Norland yet to harvest, and another bag of Eva. So thanks a lot for watching. God's blessings to you.